why nature sucks.
Yeah.
This happened to us about 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago. And,
By the way, Cabela's is better. Would you? No, Cabela's is better. Grand Theft Auto is.
man, Cabela's.
Grand Theft Auto.
Cabela's.
Grand Theft Auto.
Cabela's.
Grand Theft Auto! Oh my god. Oh my god. I need toilet paper. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Sucks. I'm just done.
Oh. Hey, you wanna go home?
Sure, I guess.
Okay, well, what do you wanna hunt?
Let's hunt some fish.
Alright. We got our hands right. Yeah, we got our hands, okay. Okay, so let's go hunt.
We'll just see any fish.
No, I don't see any fish.
No
How about,
fish.
how about that creek over there?
Okay. No, you can't be fishing there.
Yeah, I thought fish live on land.
Yeah, they can't be in water.
They die in water.
I think so.
Okay.
Well, this sucks.
Yeah. Cabela's is better.
Yeah. I kind of like Grand Theft Auto better.
Yeah. Grand Theft Auto is nice.
Shake it. Oh my god!
Earthquake! Earthquake!
Oh my god!
Earthquake!
Oh my god! It's like a vibrating chair from hell.
Yeah! I told you that Cabela's was better.
Grand Theft Auto's better.
Man! Screw you! Screw you! Oh, nature sucks.
Yeah, nature does really suck.
What? Hi, children. I'm Mother Nature.
You know what? I don't like you.
You suck.
What? Why does
Oh, no,
everybody
touch
hate me?
it. We just killed it. Mother, there's no more nature.
Well, maybe it's better off that way. Nature sucks.
Wait, maybe we might as well just stay inside now. This is why nature sucks.
Yeah.
Nature killed himself.
Yeah. Alright, well, that's cool. Oh my god. 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 How much is in here? Oh my god. It's all in my... Alright, cut the video. That's just nasty. Wow, dude, nature does suck.
Yeah, you know it does.
Hi, children. I'm Mother Nature.
You know what, Mother Nature? I hate you.
You suck.
Why does everybody hate me?
Whoa, no, dude.
No, don't do this.
No.
Oh, I thought you were really telling me to stop.
No, you darn. Well, we got a blooper without even trying.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I thought you were telling me to stop. Like, no, don't do it. Don't do it. No, no, no.